You're wide awake at 2 a.m, scrolling through your phone, convincing yourself that just one more episode won't hurt. But what if I told you that humans are the only species on Earth that deliberately sabotage their own rest? In a world obsessed with productivity hacks and caffeine fixes, sleep often gets shortchanged. Yet science reveals it's far more bizarre and essential than you think. From lunar influences to brain-eating cleanses, dive into these 5 mind-bending facts backed by research that will make you rethink your nightly ritual and boost your shut-eye game. Prepare to be amazed, because the truth about sleep isn't just about counting sheep. It's a wild ride through biology, psychology, and evolution. Fact 1. Humans are the only mammals that willingly delay sleep. And it's wrecking us. Unlike every other mammal, from cats napping in sunbeams to elephants dozing for mere hours, humans uniquely choose to postpone sleep for work, entertainment, or revenge against a busy day. This phenomenon, dubbed revenge bedtime procrastination, stems from our desire to reclaim control after packed schedules. Evolutionary biologists suggest our ancestors slept in safe groups, but modern life, with artificial lights and screens, hijacks this instinct. A 2023 study from Harvard Medical School highlights how this delay disrupts circadian rhythms, the internal clock governed by the suprachiasmatic nucleus in the brain. Chronic delayers face heightened risks of obesity, diabetes, and mood disorders, as sleep deprivation impairs hormone regulation like cortisol and melatonin. Intriguingly, animals don't pull all-nighters. They respond instinctively to fatigue. For us, this willful resistance can shave years off life expectancy. Research from the CDC shows adults needing 7-9 hours nightly, yet 35% get less, leading to cognitive fog akin to intoxication. The fix? Set strict wind-down routines, dim lights an hour before bed, and treat sleep as non-negotiable. This fact underscores our evolutionary mismatch. We're built for rest, but society pushes us to ignore it. Fact 2. Your brain literally eats itself during sleep, but it's a good thing. Sounds like a horror movie plot. But during deep sleep, your brain engages in autophagy, a self-cleaning process where cells devour damaged proteins and debris. Discovered in recent neuroscience breakthroughs, this brain eating is part of the glymphatic system, which flushes toxins like beta amyloid, linked to Alzheimer's, out via cerebrospinal fluid. A landmark 2013 University of Rochester study revealed that brain cells shrink by 60% during sleep, widening spaces for this waste removal, essentially washing the brain. Without it, plaque builds up, accelerating neurodegeneration. Surprisingly, this peaks in non-REM stages, explaining why poor sleep correlates with dementia risk. A meta-analysis in the Journal of Neuroscience found insomniacs have 25% higher amyloid levels. But here's the twist. Too much sleep, over 9 hours, can over-activate this process, potentially harming healthy cells, per Sleep Foundation data. This fact flips the script on sleep as passive. It's active maintenance. To optimize, maintain consistent sleep schedules. Your brain's nightly detox depends on it, preventing everything from foggy thinking to chronic diseases. Fact 3. The full moon really does mess with your sleep. Science proves it. Ever blamed a restless night on the full moon? You're not imagining it. Studies show people sleep 20 minutes less and take longer to doze off in the lunar phase's lead up, with EEG data revealing shallower sleep cycles. A 2013 Swiss experiment tracked 33 volunteers in a lab, finding melatonin dipped 30% near full moons, independent of light exposure, suggesting an innate circulunar rhythm tied to ancient tidal adaptations. This surprises because it's not just folklore. Evolutionary ties link it to predator avoidance in brighter nights. Modern implications? Increased insomnia reports during full moons per Cleveland Clinic, correlating with mood swings and accidents. Women may feel it more due to hormonal syncing, echoing menstrual cycles. Counter it with blackout curtains or white noise. Research from the Sleep Health Foundation notes environmental tweaks restore depth. This lunar link reminds us sleep isn't isolated. Cosmic forces subtly influence our biology, urging moon-aware routines for better rest. Fact 4. Alcohol doesn't help you sleep, it sabotages your rest cycles. That nightcap might knock you out fast, but science says it wrecks sleep quality. Alcohol suppresses REM sleep initially, fragmenting later stages with awakenings and reduced deep rest. A 2020 review in Alcoholism, Clinical and Experimental Research found even moderate drinking cuts restorative sleep by 24%, boosting next-day fatigue and impairing memory consolidation. It acts as a sedative but metabolizes into stimulants, causing rebound insomnia. Surprisingly, it worsens snoring and apnea by relaxing throat muscles. Hopkins medicine links it to 25% more breathing disruptions. Long-term habitual use alters GABA receptors, fostering dependency for sleep. The myth persists because of initial drowsiness, but facts show alternatives like chamomile tea or meditation yield better outcomes. This revelation highlights sleep hygiene. Skip booze 3 hours pre-bed to preserve natural cycles and wake refreshed. Fact 5. You burn more calories sleeping than watching TV. And sleep position matters. Contrary to couch potato logic, you torch about 50 calories per hour of sleep, totaling 400 for 8 hours, more than sedentary TV time, due to metabolic processes like tissue repair and hormone release. NeonDS research explains basal metabolic rate dips but sustains energy for dreaming and immunity boosts. Even wilder, your position influences this. Side sleeping aids digestion and reduces heartburn by aligning organs, per dream studies, while fetal position, 41% of Brits, signals sensitivity but may cramp breathing. Back sleeping optimizes spine health but risks snoring. A surprising twist. Women need 10 non-15 more minutes nightly than men, tied to multitasking brains expending more energy. Short sleepers consume 500 extra calories daily, fueling obesity cycles. Optimized by choosing supportive mattresses and positions. Science says it enhances calorie burn and overall vitality. In wrapping up, these facts illuminate sleep's profound science. It's not mere downtime, but a dynamic powerhouse for health. By heeding them, ditching delays, embracing detox, moon-proofing rooms, avoiding alcohol, and positioning wisely, you'll unlock better energy, sharper minds, and longer lives. Sweet dreams aren't luck, they're science. Next time you hit the pillow, remember, your body knows best. Listen to it.